Hey Scorpio, what's up? Welcome to your reading. This is for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. It is a general reading, guys. We're going to have a look at what is the future of your connection from the 1st to the 15th of December 2021. It is a general reading, guys. If you need a personal reading, you can reach me on Instagram at Tarot with Nemo, or you can email me on tarotwithnemo@gmail.com. All right. All right, this is for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Let's see what is the future of your connection. If you're in no communication, if you're in separation, you've gone through a breakup or whatever, right? Let's see. What is the future of your connection from the 1st to the 15th of December 2021? For a few of you, this could be a new person, okay? So just take it how it resonates. This is for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. What is the future of the connection for Scorpio and the person they're dealing with from the 1st to the 15th of December 2021? Okay. What's the current situation? What's influencing this? Someone wants a reconciliation, Scorpio. Someone wants a reconciliation here. So there's definitely been a breakup, okay? Or you guys aren't talking right now. There's no communication, whatever, right? I feel there's someone here who's coming towards you who probably who you wanted commitment with, right? And probably this person here is someone here, who likes to keep it all fun and games. This person here that you're dealing with is not ready for commitment. They're not ready for commitment. I'm going to just be very clear to you about it, okay? I'm getting here for a few of you that there are chances that the person you were dealing with, you kind of did break up or separate with someone here, who you probably wanted long term with, okay? Even though there could be a lot of love here from this person's side, maybe you guys were in a relationship also. But the moment you chose to ask for something more, or something more stable, something more serious, that's when this person would just cop out, okay? They're coming back around here. If there's no communication here, they're coming back around here, okay? And with that, keeping it very lighthearted. You're dealing with someone who's very free spirited, okay? So someone who does not like to be tied down to, someone who just does not understand commitment here. They want a reconciliation with you. They want to get back to you. What happened in the past? Yep. This is the same person here who's watching you from a distance. They're keeping an eye on you, spying, stalking, with no intentions to reach out to you, but that's what they did in the past. So probably for some of you, they could have waited for you to reach out to them, but you could have just blocked their ass out. For the others of you, this person was just keeping an eye on you, okay? Just wanting to know what's going on in your life, checking you out, seeing if you're dating other people here, or just wanting to know what's going on in your life, okay? Very nosy person here. What's on your mind, Scorps? You miss them too, huh? You miss them too, Scorpio. That's the Six of Cups. That's someone here that you miss. You have a strong soulmate connection with. This is someone here who I'm feeling. I don't think you want to get back to this person, Scorpio, but I do feel that you miss them. I feel this is nostalgia. This is you reminiscing the memories, okay? There could be an age difference between you and the person you're dealing with. You could be the older one here, okay? But yeah, you miss them. You miss this person out here. For some of you, you would want a reconciliation. For the others of you, you're just missing this person. This is what you don't see coming. This is someone here who wants a relationship with you. So from the three of cups as the influence here, this person actually really they want a reconciliation and they want to get back. They want to date you. They want to be in a relationship with you. This is someone here who's emotionally very attached, as much as you're attached to them here, Scorps. So this person loves you to the moon and back, and they love you very much, and they want this relationship with you here. And I feel for a lot of you, you too want the same thing here. So like I said, for few of you, this is a reconciliation that you also want, and it's on your mind here, because that's the Two of Cups. That's like a two-sided situation. It's not one-sided here. So for the ones who are telling me, I don't want him, I hate him, I don't want her, she can fuck off, then please don't watch this, okay? This is not for you. Because a lot of people, they want to come watch tarot readings, they read the title that the person is coming back, they still want to watch the entire thing, and then they want to comment like, you know what, hey, I don't really need him, like please, he can go to hell or she can go to hell. Then don't watch it. This is not for someone new. The title says it all, okay? In the future, Nine of Pentacles, you're saying fuck off to them. You're saying fuck off to them, is what I'm getting here, Scorpio. You're very comfortable where you are, Scorps. I'm not gonna lie. You're okay where you are. You don't really give a fuck to them. More than anything, I just say that even though you love this person so much, even though this person's coming in with communication, wanting to, be in a relationship with you, date you, okay, they want that equal emotional whatever. You're just okay. I feel you're over and done with this person out here. Okay, you're choosing to be at a point where you're single, independent, happy, you've learned your lessons, and you're putting the past in the past. Yeah, see? Eight of Cups, you're walking away, bro. You are walking away with a very heavy heart. You may not want to walk away, but it's like this person left you with no choice. It probably could be because again they're coming back to you. Maybe for a lot of you want commitment, and maybe this person still comes back to you like, you know what, wait, let's see where this goes, or let's go with the flow. I still love you. Get back to me. We'll see, we'll try and do something. But you don't want to hear all that. Probably because for a lot of you, been there, done that. Like I've seen that before, and I've given you a lot of chances out here, but you don't seem to get the point here, which is why you're just going to be single and okay on your own here. Really. What's the Six of Cups on Scorpio's mind? Yeah. Nine of Cups. This person was your wish fulfillment here, still is. You know what I'm getting here? Even though you're emotionally attached to this person so much, right? You're choosing to bury your feelings. You're choosing to not express your feelings here because you don't want to be vulnerable. You don't want to open up to this person out here because you're just too scared to be hurt because you've been burnt before and now you're very careful. So yeah, this is someone who's your wish fulfillment. This person is on your mind. They make you very, very happy here, okay? What's the Two of Cups? What's the Two of Cups? Two of Cups. They this person now knows your value. They know your worth. They see you as long term. They see you as someone who's very grounded, stable, practical, nurturing, caring. Some of you could already have been married. If you're not married to this person, then some of you could already be married. If you're not married, then this person wants marriage with you. They see you as spouse. They see you as marriage material here, okay? And for the rest of you could already be married to this person and this person wants you back again. I feel this person here is using their logic. So when they approach you, right, they don't want to come in towards you with a lot of emotions here, even though deep down this is what they want with you. But yeah, the feelings are mutual, is what I'm getting here. But you are choosing to hold back, and they are choosing to be logical about it. That's the difference here. The Nine of Pentacles. Why is the Nine of Pentacles here? Clap for the Nine of Pentacles. This person here, right, after there's been an ending between you both here, right, this person is choosing to come towards you and they're wanting to work on this connection. They want to fix the situation here with you, ready to work on this partnership, ready to collaborate with you, ready to do this teamwork, okay? They want to learn more about you. For a lot of you, this person could have run away in the past year because they either thought you were too much hard work, okay? There's too much to come to your level, okay? Level as in, like, the amount of work that you put in, right, it's not easy for them because the work you put in was very natural, okay? It was just very natural that if you're in a relationship here, this is how much work you would want to put in. You invest willingly. For them, I don't think this has always been a person who likes to put in the work here. They've always been either a loner or they've always been someone, who's very lazy, or they don't want to do the hard work out here. They wanted things without putting in the work here. Now they realize it's hard work and now they're ready to fix the situation here, okay? They're ready to put in all the hard work here. They want to learn more about you. They want to know you more, okay? If this is an old person here, which I feel this is an old person, this is an ex here, they want to, this time around, they want to, it's like, let's sit, let's talk, okay? There's practical investment coming from this side here in the future here. But my friend, you're going to be at a crossroads here. You have the world in front of you. You have the globe in your hand. You're just going to be like, now what the fuck do I do? You have two paths to choose from, and you're going to be at a crossroads in the future here. But I do feel that you will make a choice this time, and the choice will probably be like, you know what, I want to give it some time. For a few of you, you may walk away, and for a few of you, maybe you're just like, you know what, not really giving this person the attention that you used to all this while. You won't be in a very giving energy in the future. You'll just be like, I'm okay where I am. Whoa, wait. hold on, where the hell did you come from? Okay, so you're going to keep it very simple, you're going to keep it very low, and you're just going to be like, let's see. I think for some of you, you're going to test this person. I feel it's like a test here. What's the Page of Wands? Let's see what this communication is about. What's the Page of Wands here? Yeah, see, there's a strong soulmate connection, right? There's a fucking strong twin flame connection here. For a few of you, there could be two people coming towards you. One, both are immature, both are younger to you, okay? If not younger, they're both very immature. One who's going to come towards you with an apology, and the other one here who's kind of very free spirited, someone here who does not believe in commitment here. One is a little more serious than the other one out here, but with the Lovers card here, I feel you're going to have to make a choice about whether you want the old person back. It's like a big decision that you got to make, okay? Or for a lot of you, there are two choices. Two people are coming towards you. You need to make a choice which one you want here. Which is why, again, Two of Wands in the future, right? You have choices here, Scorpio. Maybe it's old versus new, or it's just about, do I want this person back or not? Seriously, I'm just genuinely thinking this is two people coming towards you. Again, for a few of you, this is two people and you need to make a choice between both the people here. Who do you want, old or new? For the rest of you, if this is an old person here, this person will eventually start off with communicating very casually. But deep down, they would eventually want to come in towards you and apologize to you about whatever happened in the past year. And because this person here feels a very strong twin flame connection, it's a very strong bond here, which is why you probably miss this old person out here. So for a few of you, this could be just one person out here. Take it how it resonates, okay? But there is the influence out here of why this person is reaching out to you is because they want to reconcile with you, okay? And whoever this person is, they want a relationship with you. You'll be in a relationship is what I'm getting here. You may, I mean, it doesn't, just because with the Nine of Pentacles here is a single energy, it does not mean that you're not in a relationship. It could also mean that you choose to be in the relationship, but you still choose to protect your energy. You still choose not to invest into a connection completely full on, okay? How you used to in the past. You could still be very guarded, okay? So take it how it resonates here, because I do feel that you will have to make a choice in the future here, because this person here is ready to invest into you, okay? Yeah, but just be careful. Page of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, that's a very big energetic difference here, very big age difference here, okay? So that's what I have for you, Scorps. That looks good. Hope this reading resonates, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.